Fucking up the game.
This is dedicated to those who elevate on their own and never needed that. This is dedicated to those who elevate on their own and never needed that.
Fucking up the game.
This is dedicated to those who elevate on their own and never needed the excess. I call those the gifted who access the light. I know you see my aura shine bright, but you lost in the dark. Searching for a feel, but I'm everything you hear, so you fear what's near, but I won't steer you wrong. I'ma put us on, so I expect rejection. When pursuing your happiness, sadness is perfected, but it births progression. The best tool for reaching success, the best ending. Legend like Lennon, when I die, go to heaven. Start a party with my auntie, the reason I am artistic. I out for snakes in the grass, cause they all don't bite. But when you sleep, they'll choke life out of you. Alley-oop the game winning shot. I just want the assist, my nigga, you can have a spot. If you hot volcanic, eventually you'll come out on top. My whole life I've been the underdog, I can't stop. Sacrifice my soul at the hole when it rocks. Hip-hop, the joy of my life, I can't not. The hustle, if you're all you gotta rock. On the corner when they stop ya, lights gon' flash, then your life gon' pass, and that's the ending. Bring them all back to the beginning where it starts in the seed. Plant it in your mind, just believe. Anything you want, you can achieve. It's a seed. Plant it in your mind, just believe. Anything you want, you can achieve.